Hello guys, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are demonstrate a new project, and this project is made up of using a Python plus ML. The project title is Student Feedback Systems using a Python plus MLs. The project summary is this project is web-based and student feedback systems designed to collect and analyze and visualize the student feedbacks using a machine learning based sentiment analysis. It allows to students to submit feedbacks, analyze and anonymously, and enable faculties, department heads, and administrators can review the sentiments, and according to that sentiments, the ML models trained the ML model that we are using are automatically detect the feedbacks, and according to that feedbacks, it will generate a graph and detect the sentiment of that students. The key features, this project is made up of using a Python, means we are using a Flask framework, and SQLite for the database. When after giving the feedback, it utilizes the pre-models machine learning models, pre-trained models machine learning models like an SVM to classify the feedbacks into the three categories like positive, neutrals, and negative. After analyze the feedbacks, it will generate a graph like data visualization, chart and graphs. After submitting these student feedback, it will display only the admin panels. The key features of this project are student can anonymously give the feedbacks to the teachers and to the departments. Sentiment analysis of the feedback using ML models that we are already trained that models for the analysis these feedbacks. Role based authentications means we have to log in. We have two logins, one for the students, one is for the admin. Before giving any before giving any feedback, so you need to log in first. Interactive dashboard for the sentiment breakdown. We have an interesting interactive dashboard for the chart, for the pie charts for at the admin end. SQLite database, we are using the SQLite database for storing the data for the like the new user that we are signing in. The technology, we are using technology like backend, we are using a Python's frontend, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. ML models, we are using a SQLite learns. Database, we are using SQLite. For the front end, if you don't need any kind of interactive like an interesting interactive dashboard, interactive UI, like you don't want to use some interesting UI like this, so you can just remove the HTML, you can just remove CSS, then your page will look like a simple page. So you can remove the CSS from your web page if you don't need the CSS. But we are using only the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap for look for, so that in our website look very interesting and it look very professional. For running this project, you need to Python run servers. Before running this project, you should already install all the libraries for this project. And we have a two login panel, one is for the students, one is for the admin. And the feedback, how feedback works, go to the feedback page, feedback text, and we have to type the feedback related to the teachers or related to the departments. And after that text, our models analyze the feedback, and according to that analyzation, it will classify the feedback into the three categories. One is a positive, one means positive, neutral means 0, negative means -1, and these are stored into the CSV files that are already used in our project. For the admin dashboard, we have for the admin dashboard, we can review the teachers and departments, teacher and departments data. So this is all about this starting or before starting this project, I've just explained the flow of this project. So if you want to use Gemini API or any other API, so what is the drawback of using that? Every time you will give the feedback, every time your AI give the different answers or different sentiments. If you are using a simple sentiment, so first time it will give a different answer, and second time it will give a different answers. So that's why I'm not using AI. If you are interested to using AI, so you can use AI, but every time you will use AI, every time you will give any feedback with the same feedback, it will give you a different answer. So that's why your answer is not accurate or your sentiment is not accurate using a Gemini API or any other APIs. So that's why we have trained the models. These models are always give the same answers, whatever whatever the feedback you are using last time, or if you are giving the same feedback next time also, so it will give the same answer for that feedback. So that's why these are the trained models that we have trained on the given data. Before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel because we have uploaded lots of videos related to the projects. And if you're a last year students, then you already know that the projects are most crucial part of your last semesters for your interviews, for your last semesters. And you can share our channel for your you can share our channel if your friend in the last year or in if he's of if your friend is searching for the project, so you can share our channel also. I have uploaded lots of videos related to different programming languages like Java, PHP, Pythons, and now we are working on the ML side. We have also uploaded some AI related projects like AI training chatbots, face recognition based attendance systems, job portals using a PHP, and different kind of projects. You can check our website. For this, we have uploaded here. You can check the Python plus AI project, PHP projects, ML projects, load modes. It will display the lots of projects. So you can check our website also or our YouTube channel. So now we are come to the project. I'm just log out first. So whenever you start a project, it will display look like this. So your home page. Now we have to log in first because without login we can't give any access, we can't give any feedback, and we can see any feedbacks. So first I'm just opening the admin panel, admin 1234, and just log in. So I just log in as an admin. As an admin, it will show me the department feedbacks. Currently we have 92 department feedbacks, and this is the graph like a positive, negative, and neutrals. For the department sentiments, we have the 14 positive, 57 negative, and 21 neutrals. So this is for the guidance, this is for the course content, this is for the examination, and different kind of department we have used for this feedback. Now next we have a teacher feedbacks. Currently we have 23, and here we have 92 feedbacks. 63% are positive, 7% are neutral, and 30% are negative. These are automatic generated. We are not generating these feedback, these graphs. These are automatic generated by the AI models that we are using, not AI model, ML models that we are using inside this project. And these graphs are also generated by the AI models, not AI, not, and just using ML models that we are using this project, not AI models. So these are graphs are automatically generated. So currently we have 23% and 6% are this. If you want to add new users, so you need to upload a file for the users similar to this. Like I'm just show you similar to this. You just need to upload these files for the new users. I will share this file into the chat so you can check that also. So now these are just for the demos, and these are just for the samples. They are not correctly, they are not real time, they are just for the demos. And this is the admin panel. So just we are, if you want to see the uh, these are just only the percentage and the graph chart, but actually we want to see the actual feedback. So you just select here department feedback. It will show you the all department feedbacks here that are given by the students, like the time stamps also, teaching score, teaching course score, course content, examination -1, and examination fine. Fine means we are concluding as a positive, so it gives a 1. Unhappy means the students are not satisfied, so it will give you -1. And not well planned schedule, so it means also this is going to the negative side, so this gives the -1. For the zero, it will show you the neutral ones. This one, like this is a neutral one, good, but we won't understand the new topic as well. So this is a neutral ones, means that the students are happy but not 100% happy. This is the 100% happy. Electronic concept are not clear, so it will give you -1. Here this is also -1 because the students are not satisfied. Here is a 1 means okay. So these sentiments are generated by the ML model, not by us. These automatically generated by these automatically generated by the ML models. These are the teacher feedbacks similar to the department feedbacks. Currently we have 22 feedbacks, and here we have, I think, 89, yeah, 91 feedbacks. So just we are going to give a new feedback. We just open this as in a incognito mode. Incognito mode, we just open it, and I'm just open it, decode it, and decode it as a student. Welcome to decode it as a student. So I need to just give the feedback to the teachers and departments. These are the home pages that we are using HTML CSS, but you don't want to use CSS, so just remove the CSS and it will look very ugly, not a very professional, but it look ugly. So if you want to remove, you can remove. Now send feedbacks. These are the form that we need to fill to give the feedback to the teachers. Currently we have 92 feedbacks as a department and 23 feedbacks as a teacher. So what we can do, we just open a new tab also for comparison the feedbacks. So these are the old feedback, and after giving the feedback I just reload this page, and then we can compare the feedbacks also, like our ML model is working or not. So just give the feedback guidance, it provide correctly, and course content well good, and here not good, we are adding not good. In the same, we are also adding teacher for the not good. Now teacher 1 is a best, teacher 2 is a best teacher. Okay, best teacher. Teacher 1 is having good knowledge, having good knowledge. Lab are well, not so good, means that it will go according to the ML. Neutral, I don't know, it will decided by the ML, not by me. And not good, we are adding here is not good. In library faculty, uh, all books are good inside library. Library having good knowledge, having good knowledge. Extra note, and inside we are also adding note. So we have added these feedbacks for these teachers and for this department. I'm just submitting these feedbacks. Now it will analyze by the MLs and automatically submit it to the admin panel. So it will taking time because our ML is predicting the feedbacks, exact feedbacks, and after that it will submit it to the. Now we have submitted. So the time that are taking by this submitting, due to the because ML are taking these feedbacks and analyze the feedback sentiments according to their submission. After submission, it will navigate to this page. It will help you how you can give the good feedbacks to the your teachers. Now we will back to the admin panel. I'll just reload this page. Now it will show the 93, 25, 19, 56. Here 92, 25, 19, 56. And these are the sames. Okay, I think just a moment. And here these are 24, 23, 62%, 61%. One neutral is same, one is negative 30%. So these are automatic generated. We are not generated these graphs, these are automatic generated graphs. If you just check these graphs, just a moment. Okay, now you can check these graphs. These graphs are automatic generated, and you can check also these graphs for the department. These are automatic generated, you can check. So these are graphs generated by the ML's models. So this is all about this project, department feedback systems or the teacher feedback systems. You can also check the feedbacks here. In the last, we have added this feedback. It is correct, so it gives a 1. Well good, not good, it will automatically give the -1. Not so good, it will also give the -1. All books are good in a library, so 1. Not means -1. So these are automatic generated by these ML models. Similarly to the for the admin also, similar for the teacher also. You can check the teacher feedback also here. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good